Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And I'm really sorry guys, I was not able to put any videos throughout this week because we just recovered from this cyclone in Chennai, and I had some personal work. So just now I got the time to record some videos. So right now we are going to see what we are going to unbox in the upcoming 2 weeks. So let's start with Matchbox moving parts. So this is the set 2 in this moving part series. So lucky I was able to, I think, get at least most of it. I think I bought 7 of the moving parts. I think it's total 8 in this set, which came to India. So and thanks for the voting guys. So because of your voting, I'm just unboxing this moving parts, and I'm going to unbox a few Majorettes. Some people are asking for Majorettes. I personally love Majorettes. It has good detailing and for the pricing. I personally loved this one. This was bought as a surprise gift from one of my friend, Pranay, I guess. So shout out to him, and yeah, thank you for that. And we are going to unbox a few Formula E cars. So I bought the GX Dragon, and there's one more. This is by Mahindra. So I personally loved this, because I never actually watched any Formula E racing, but these cars got my attention and it looked really nice, so I bought it. And we have a few racing and premium cars, which we will be unboxing this. And this one I personally really loved, the Honda Civic Type R. See, this one is actually the old car, not the new one. So let me show you why. And see, the price here is 249. So right now the price in India is 349 rupees. So see, this one is a new card. As you can see, this is Alfa Romeo Tonale. So you can see the price 349, and you can see the difference in old and new cards, the licensing details and everything on top here. It is not there in the new one. Yeah, so I think I bought this one from Tiny Town, if I'm not wrong. Okay guys, so that's it. So stay tuned throughout this 2 weeks, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.